Namaskar. To begin with another session, I'm going to ask you a few questions. Okay, what do I keep telling you in the class? Sit straight. Speak softly, kind of instructions. Okay, walk smartly. Oh, she sings beautifully. Oh, he writes beautifully. He writes neatly. So there are a lot of sentences. Most of the sentences, they have verbs in it. And we have already done verbs. But when we talk about verbs or action words, how it is done. Okay, when I said sit straight, how are you supposed to sit straight? Walk smartly. How are you supposed to walk smartly? She sings beautifully. How does she sing? Sing is a verb here. How does she sing? Beautifully. Okay. He writes neatly. How does he write? Write is an action word. How does he write? Neatly. So when we answer the question, how about an action, about a verb, how that verb has been done, how that action has been done, that is called adverb. Okay, now it can be where that action has been done, how that action has been done, when, how many times. Okay, so when we are talking about an action and we answer the questions how, when, where, how many times. For this year, we will be doing these 4 questions. We are going to answer these 4 questions about the verbs. Such verbs are called adverbs. They add meaning to the verbs. So these are called adverbs. Now there are some sentences here in this handout which we will be reading now. Danny rode his bicycle slowly to school. Now rode is past tense of ride. Okay, now how did he ride? Ride is an action word. Okay, slowly. She walked quietly into the room. How did she walk? Quietly. Remember the question I'm answering here. How? They happily posed for pictures. Posed for the pictures? Yes. But how did they pose? Happily. The girls cheered loudly for their friend. Cheered, yay, something like that. But how did they cheer? Loudly. Now the question here is how. How that action has been done. So that is called adverb of manner. So adverb tells us about a verb. It tells us about an adjective also. But right now we'll focus on how it tells about a verb. Now, when we talk about happy, okay, now that's an adjective. Okay, but we need to add ly to it. Now what's the spelling of happy? Happy. We need to remove y and we need to add ily. Lucky. Oh, she is very lucky. Okay, but she was luckily saved from the accident, in the accident. Okay, but then we remove y and we add ily. She spoke angrily. Okay, again, what is the spelling of angry? Angry. We remove y and we add ily. Now there's another word, beautiful. That is also an adjective. That's a describing word. But whenever there is ful and we change it into beautifully, carefully or peacefully, with L we make it double L and then we add Y. Suppose it is beautiful. We want to change it into beautifully. Beautiful, we know. But then when we make it into beautifully, we call it full-ly. Remember this. Now for careful also, carefully. Careful is the adjective. But when we add L, with the L we make it double L and we add Y. Right? Now we have some exercises on the next page, number 2 here. We will be doing some of them in the class here and rest as homework. Form adverbs by adding ly to the following words. Soft, she speaks softly, right? So that will become, you just need to add ly here. Bad, badly, bright, brightly, smart, smartly, bold, boldly, glad, gladly, sad, sadly. Okay. Now 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 in a similar way you will do it at home on your own. Bye.